thanks for joining me. This is Parker from TestPrepChampions.com, and I have another GED math lesson. How many inches are in 68 feet, knowing that there's 12 inches in 1 foot? Go ahead, pause the video, and try this one out. Alright, so hopefully you had a chance to try this. So basically what we want to do is we want to start from 68 feet and convert that into inches. And so we have to know this statement right here. This is our conversion factor. There's 12 inches in 1 foot. So we can write that in two different ways. We could write that as 12 inches over 1 foot, or we could write it the other way. We could write it as 1 foot per 12 inches. Doesn't really matter how you write it, but it is going to matter to solve the problem. So what you want to do here is, since we're going from feet to inches, we're given 68 feet. So we want to write that down here first. So we've got our 68 feet. Okay, and so we want to now multiply by the conversion factor so that the feet are going to cancel out. So in order for that to happen, we need to pick the version of our conversion factor with feet on the bottom. And the reason we're doing that again is so that the feet are going to cancel out and we'll be left with our answer in inches. So we're going to take this 12 inches divided by 1 foot and we're going to put that in here. So we've got 12 inches and we've got 1 foot down here on the bottom. And so hopefully you know that when you divide two things by each other, they're going to cancel out, right? So we've got 68 feet and we've got 1 foot, so the feet are going to cancel out here. And so now what you would just do is 68 times 12, and I'm putting that on my calculator right now, 68 times 12, and that's going to be 816 inches. Okay, so we've now figured out that 68 feet is equal to 816 inches. Okay, so now just for fun, as a bonus, let's go backwards now. So knowing that the answer is 816 inches, how would we put that back into feet? Because you should know how to do both here. So what we would do is we'd do the same thing. 816 inches. We're going to start with that. So whatever we're starting with, we want to write that down first. Now we want to pick either 1 foot over 12 inches or 12 inches over 1 foot. Which one are we going to multiply by? Well, since we're starting with 816 inches and we're going from inches to feet, we want to multiply by this version of our conversion factor, right? 1 foot over 12 inches. Okay, and again, inches are going to cancel out, and now you would do 816 divided by 12, 816 divided by 12, and that gets us back to 68 feet. All right, so definitely know how to go both ways here with the inches to feet and the feet to inches, and you'll be given, you might have some conversion questions on the GED test. They do come up, and so you'll usually be given this information here, like some kind of conversion factor to use. So definitely know how to do this, guys. It's not that hard once you get some practice. So this comes out of my GED Math Champions Guide. If you want to get that down below, click the link. You'll get 50 free problems and solutions, and I recommend checking that out. So please give me a thumbs up or subscribe if you like this content, and there'll be plenty more coming your way. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.